To download the Monday.com desktop app, start by opening a browser and typing in Monday.com desktop app. Scroll down until you see the section about the desktop app, which can also be found on the website support.monday.com. Click on the article, which will provide links to download the app. Choose the correct link based on your operating system, for Mac or Windows. Once you've clicked the link, the download will automatically start. After the download is complete, click on the file and you will be asked if you want to install it for all users or just for yourself. In case you have multiple users on your computer, select the desired option and press install. The installation process will begin and may take up to a minute to complete, depending on your computer's speed. Once the installation is finished, you will see a prompt to complete the setup, and then you can press Run Monday to launch the app. Finally, press Finish, and the desktop app will open, prompting you to log in with your account. This completes the download and installation process for the Monday.com desktop app.